This is step-by-step video tutorial on how to convert your image to a video, not just a video but a singing video with body gestures. So let's go. What you just need to do is to go over to Play Store and download Revive. Just go to Play Store and search for Revive. So I have Revive installed on my device already. So what you just have to do is download your Revive and you have this interface. Then click up here to remove this. Just click up here, you get this removed. Then you have this. So already these are templates. So these are templates. So you can choose a mood, maybe sad mood, happy mood, or you are maybe romantic mood, and you're just feeling cool. So just choose and choose templates that are not pro. So and this contains songs already. So what do we do? Let's test run 1. So which should we go with? Okay, let's use happy mood. Let's choose happy mood. Now we have it loading. So let's play any of these songs here.
Who cares? It's sort of exciting, isn't it? Breaking the rules. Who cares? It's sort of exciting, isn't it? Breaking the rules.
That's the most amazing thing I've ever heard.
Okay. So now let's get some wavy songs. So let's look for those who are songs. Okay, we have songs here. So these are love songs. So let's play this.
When a man loves a woman, can't keep his mind on nothing else.
So what we do now? Let's click on it. Yeah, we have.
When a man loves a woman, can't keep his mind on nothing else.
The next thing to do is to now select image from our gallery. So I will definitely love to use my image. So let me go over to my gallery and then select my image. Then let's come over to images. Then let's come over here somewhere around here. Let me get my image. Yeah, okay, let me just make use of this. Yeah, this AI image of me. So the next thing you do once you upload your image is to click on this Revive downwards. So click on Revive. Alright, so Revive. So it's searching for my face. It's already detected my face. Alright, so let me select a specific face. It detected 2 faces, and in the video, the song, there's only one face. So let me select this one. That is the main one, not the blurred one. So continue. So it's an
Everyone is investing, and I wanted to increase my income too. With Okta,
we don't need this ad, so let's just do away with it. Come back to our Revive app. Those ads are popping up because we're using the free.
I'm a part-time trader now. I knew nothing about trading, so I started on a demo account without real money, and then moved to small real deposits. Wow, I got.
So as this ad is displaying, it's also getting our work ready. Our work is getting ready on the ground. So let's check if the work is ready. It's not ready yet, so we can't really skip the process. So you just have to be patient, you know. Yeah, it's in the free account. So our work is not ready. Let's just hold on a bit. It will soon be ready. It will soon be ready. Alright, so let's see. Our work is
Can't keep his mind on nothing else. He tread the world for good things found. When a man loves a woman, can't keep his mind on nothing else. He tread the world for good things found. When a man
it indeed revived the image and then added effect, motion effect to the image. Remember, this was actually an image, just a photo. Okay, but you see the photo is now. Okay, what you do next is to click on download. You can share to WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. You can copy out the link. I hope you can see all of those things down here. You can copy the link, share to Instagram, TikTok, and the rest of that. And then this is the download icon. So just click on download. These have been saved already to my phone gallery. Then you click on done. So and we are done with this. Okay, there are other things you can actually do with this Revive app. Okay, but let's end it here. There's this AI avatar that is new on Revive. You can try it out. Okay, there's this other here, so try them out. So I just want this video to be short, less than 10 minutes. Perfect. So let's go over to our gallery and see what we have over there. So here's my gallery, and then we'll go to this is Revive, and we have this. Let's play.
When a man loves a woman.
Okay, these are also a few other that I've done with Revive.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
So these are
If you'll be my bodyguard, I can be your long lost pal. I can call you Betty. Betty, when you call me, you can call me out.
alright. This is super amazing, guys. So see you in the next video tutorial. Ensure you like and comment, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. I'll be updating this YouTube channel frequently with a lot of new things you could never think of. Yeah, so long as tech and AI is concerned, I'll be updating you back to back. All right, catch you up in the next class.